Hello guys, we are here with another Walk the Sheep Not Lazy vlog. We're not doing a lazy vlog. I've decided that I'm going to stop doing those because they take way too long and do a bunch of random videos that are fun and awesome. I'll actually start doing Minecraft videos, but what it is going to be in the description, but we're actually doing my pets. So let's just start it all off, and here's where to Will.
Try to guess who named him? We have a boy named Will, Walter, and Maggie. Guess who named him?
We are, you don't. Okay, and first we just start out with little Will, real cute. And we have our cop chickens, our fun little cop chickens.
Don't forget me.
Yeah. Go away, Will. Okay, guys, and we are in this barn, which is a mess, but we have Rabbit who's pregnant. Okay, we have a boss rabbit. See, she's a boss. This is right in this thing. She's a boss. I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna turn him in no time. She has cataracts. That sucks. She's a boss. It literally says on her tag she's a boss. And here's Grace Guy. Well named her. She's preggers. There's a nesting box, but she will live, baby.
But then, look at her husband.
Hello, Fudgy. Don't hide your guilt. Then we have free rabbits.
We know you did it, Fudgy.
There's a bunch of rabbits. Bullseye and... Okay, you watch rabbit porn? You're perfect. Okay. And now we'll show you our cop chickens. So we have... We're complaining about balls. Our cop chickens. Benjamin.
Don't in my office. No, really. It really.
Cop chickens.
Don't tell me the gray one's wet. But oh my God, there's a baby over there.
Well, look at the audience. And we have randomly schnapps in this chicken thing. Okay. That's Mom. We're actually taking care of the animals right now. And you right. I think I'll do a separate thing. Oh, there's Sunshine. Hello. Sorry about camera wobbliness. We actually have a bunch of cats, but I'm not going to go into detail. He's hiding in our burn pile, which we're not going to burn for a long time.
Name them all.
Here's Sunshine. Hello.
Walter, name them all.
There's Sunshine and Squirrel, his wife, and I'll go into detail later. And Maggie's cat Pumpkin. Then Chicho. That's, well, and then little Will, you saw that guy. Look, mowing the lawn. We have an awesome house. Sorry for bragging. And then, I think I should run, but it'll take the camera a lot, so sorry about that. Ow. Now we're going to the ducks. Ow, fell. I can never get over this electric fence without breaking my leg. I guess. Hey, I can't get my videos longer than 10 minutes, so if you guys know how to fix that, post in the comments below. Or, sorry, I just wobbled that. Complete brain fart. The duck is half black. Aren't you cute? Where do you think they get all the Aflac ducks?
Tell them how you know if the boys or girls.
Ready? So. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. One of them's actually quacking. The other's just going squeak, squeak.
That's how you tell if they're a girl or a boy.
Okay. Oh. We have other chickens and turkeys. The turkeys are actually huge.
The boys go quack, quack. The girls go quack, 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 quack.
The turkeys will actually let you sit down and they'll huddle around you. Gosh dang it, it takes forever to get around these. And guys, we actually have airsoft videos, and we're actually going to be posting some with my helmet cam.
Sadly,
I just really suck with computer.
The second turkey died.
Well, we had a bunch, but one guy probably ate something like fertilizer on accident.
In a green pouch, my mom is a frog.
Here are our show birds. We have Australorp, the black ones, barred rocks, And then that's, oh, Silky. And see that little brown one over there in the corner? She lays rainbow eggs.
Hey, wait, where's my little itsy bitsy one?
I don't know. She's probably in with the bigger chickens. The turkey tar. I don't want to get shoot. No, I didn't sing that.
She better not die.
What'd you talk about?
She did? Yeah. When?
Gobble, gobble.
I'm thinking she died.
Aren't they cute? That's the big one. I'm a bird.
The biggest one is mine.
I keep referencing Tobuscus like, I'm a bird, motherfucker. I'm a bird. What are you doing out, Whitebird? You got some guys got out.
Yeah, she died. Where is she? She died.
Just because she's not always in there. She, the white one, and the big rooster, they lost a wing as they were babies. Or Fox got it. They're taking a dirt bath.
Babies, they were still old.
No, they're babies. See, these guys are special. She has a defect.
They're not special, and they're eggs.
They lay blue eggs. It may look like white, but trust me, they're blue. Eggers.
They're Easter eggs.
We actually have an incubator, and we're going to hatch some of these guys. And we also got a new batch of them from the hatchery.
But they have to be fertilized.
No, they're already fertilized. Well, they're going to be. No, yeah. And guys, I think I might just finish this video of a lazy vlog off. I mean, not lazy vlog, I'm sorry. I keep thinking it's a lazy vlog.
The fortress.
Okay, well, this has nothing to do at all with the birds. We had a platform we were going to build a huge treehouse in, but instead we transformed it into an airsoft fortress.
But there's gonna be a treehouse up in that tree.
Yeah,
there's gonna be a bridge leading to it. And
we also have a zip line. Audience, I'm not audience. That's Tobuscus.
Here, I'll hold it.
No, I'm gonna hold this in my mouth. I'm eating you, sheep. Will, can you go get the zip line? We'll go get it. And here's the airsoft fort. We actually converted a lot of stuff. Here's the ladder. And then this is like some weird stuff me and Will built. It's a pillow, and if you put two together, it's a bed, and it's a stretcher for people who have been shot. Do you have the thing? Maggie, can you go get the thing while
Mine's painted to be softer.
Yeah. Will, can you go get the zip line so I can do a sign off? Okay, Will's gonna go get the zip line, and I'm gonna do a zip line. I'm gonna do a zip line. What?
Walter, you want me to film while you zip line?
No, I'm gonna be filming with the zip line. Hurry, the video.
I don't want to hurt my balls.
No, you're coming. I shoved Will. Go, Will! Go! Will, go! Seriously, or I won't pay you for this. I'm just kidding. He's not a worker.
He'll never get paid $5 ever. Even if he works 500 days.
Will, love you lazy birds! Hurry up, the video should be over by now.
Can you bring it back to me?
Sure, later.
You should have it off on the zip line.
That's what I'm doing! Ah! Don't hit me!
So goodbye.
Don't hit me! Let go!
If you drop that phone, you're dead.
Will, if you really do that, I'm gonna kill you. Have all audience. Goodbye. I don't know how to hold this. You're probably.
Hold it.
Nope. Ow. Okay, audience, and I'm gonna end it off here. A 9-minute video. Tell me if you want to make the videos longer or shorter. And don't eat tin cans, my sheep. And goodbye.